Hello YouTube and welcome to another Windows tutorial. So a friend of mine had actually sent me a corrupted voice memo file. So I thought it may be useful for you to show you also how you can actually fix this corrupted memo file. So are you ready? Let's get started. So actually here, as you can see on my desktop, I have a corrupted audio file. It has an extension M4a, which means it's encoded using the advanced audio coding format. Okay, so I will try to recover this file. Okay, so actually when you open it, for example using VLC player, you get nothing, so it's corrupted. So how not gonna fix that? Actually you need some tools and it's pretty easy. So actually we need 3 tools. So the first one actually is AAC decoder. So you'll find the links to these tools in the description. So you go to your this website here and you download the first one from here, which called FAAD. So this is a decoder for AAC audio files, and you go to the second page or second link and you download also an encoder which called FAAC. Okay, so this is the link from where you can download these tools. Actually they are zipped, so you have to compress them in any directory you want. Okay, you need also a Hex Editor. So I would choose this one which is free called HXD. So you can download whatever version of language that you want. Okay, so here in my desktop I have created a folder called audio, and I have put actually the encoder and decoder. Okay, so I will add also the corrupted audio file, so it will be easy for me to work on it. So the first thing you have to do is to open the corrupted audio file using Hex Editor. So I will just launch my Hex Editor here. Here we go. And I will open my corrupted audio file. So it's called interview.m4a. So now I'm opening it using Hex Editor. So I have to go to your search, then find. Then I will search for this tag called MDAT, okay, or MDAT. Here we go. So now it has found the tag MDAT. So I have to select from the end of the selection to the beginning of the file. Okay, so here we go. I have selected, so from the beginning of the file to the end of the selection. And now I have to press the delete key on my keyboard. Here we go. So I have this confirm message, so I will just hit OK. So now I have deleted the selection. So all I have to do now is to save the file using file save. Okay, so this is the first step. It's very easy. So I will close my Hex Editor. So now I have finished with my Hex Editor. Okay, so here I have a backup file, so I don't need it, I can delete it. So now the second part. So for this second part you have actually to work with the command line in Windows. So you press actually Windows key plus the R key in your keyboard and you tap CMD. Okay, so you get actually this window like here. So you go to your folder where you have put your files. So here I have audio file in my desktop. So here I am on my desktop, so I have to change my directory to the audio folder. Here we go. So now I can see using the command dir all the files. So I have the decoder, encoder, and my corrupted file. So the first command that I have to use actually is the FAAD. Okay, and I have to provide the name of the corrupted file, which is in this case interview.m4a. And voila, I have to actually enter or press enter in my keyboard. So it will take some time depending on the size of your computer, of your file actually. So now it has finished. So if I return back to my folder, let me see. So now we have created actually a working WAV file this time. So I can open it using VLC. Here we go. And now I can hear that the file has been repaired. Okay. So I have actually a working audio file. So the last step is to convert or to encode this file here, which is WAV format, to the M4A format. So for that I will use the second encoding program called faac. So I will return back to my command prompt here. So let me clear that. Okay, so now in order to convert the WAV file to the M4A file, it's pretty easy. You have to type faac, okay, -b 160. Okay, now I have to provide here my output file. So but before that we have to make -o for output file, then the final file. So I'll call it repaired.m4a file, and finally the WAV file, which is interview.wav. Okay, and I press enter, and here we go. Now I will get the final file, which is named repaired. Okay, so it will take also some time, but it's very quick. Here we go. Now we have finished. So if I return back to my folder, we have the final M4A file. So let's open it using VLC just to see if it's working. Yes, it's working. Okay, so now you can see how easy you can actually fix a corrupted voice memo file, okay, using just these two tools, an encoder and decoder. Okay, as always, I hope it has been informative for you, and I want to thank you for viewing. Bye bye.